All right, I want to show the new work holding options in Toolpath. So these options are really for when you upload a part directly to Toolpath and want to get the first setup in the vise very quickly. For parts sent from Fusion, we aren't visualizing the Fusion work holding quite yet. We will be working on that. But of course, if you're coming from Fusion, you'll start with your setups there and send back to those existing setups. But for your parts that start in Toolpath, this is a great way to get the model and the stock in the vise very quickly. So the options live in the overview page, and we'll see this work holding selection option. So we've added a number of common vices. So we have the 6-inch and 4-inch. These are the Kurt DX vices. We've got our Saunders Machine Works modular vise. We've got a number of configurations for self-centering vices. Jaw configurations. So this is the wide configuration, which actually I do have room there for. So that's great to know I don't have to flip these around if the setup changes. Some smaller micro vices. And actually, something we'll see here is Toolpath will tell us if the stock exceeds our max jaw opening. So this micro vise is not going to be the right choice here. Along with this, we can change our vise orientation by clicking this, so we can get this right if we've got, depending on how we've got things set up on the table at the machine. And of course, if I revert my changes and export this to Fusion, when we bring this part into a new document, Toolpath will place the stock part in the vise and select all the work holding models in our setups so that our cam operations, or at least our 3D cam operations, are model aware. So hopefully this helps you program faster and, just avoid some of kind of those tedious repetitive tasks with getting the part in the vise model, or, creating the plane or checking your heights carefully if you're not modeling the work holding. Let us know what vices you think we should add, and looking forward to hearing about how it goes. Thanks.